In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Filmora to adjust the speed of your videos easily and effectively. Whether you want to create a dramatic slow motion effect or speed things up to fit your narrative, Filmora offers intuitive tools to manipulate video playback speed with just a few clicks. To start, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Filmora. Filmora is a versatile video editing software that's accessible online and provides a user-friendly interface perfect for both beginners and more experienced editors. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and launch the program. Now with Filmora up and running, you'll want to double-click on the video you wish to edit. This action will open up the video in the editing window, letting you see several options on the screen. Over on the right-hand side, you'll notice a panel filled with various settings. This is where you'll concentrate your efforts for adjusting the speed of your video. Let's dive into these settings. What you need to do is locate the section specifically labeled Speed. This is where all the magic happens. You can either slow down or speed up your video by adjusting these simple controls. If you're aiming for a slow motion effect, gently lower the speed using the slider or designated input. A well-placed slow motion sequence can really elevate the emotional impact of your footage, so take your time to find the perfect speed that matches your creative vision. Conversely, if you're looking to inject some energy and momentum into your video, increasing the speed might be just what you need. Faster playback can give your clips a dynamic edge, perfect for creating excitement or fitting more content into a shorter time frame. Again, adjust the speed control to suit your needs and don't be afraid to experiment a little. Additionally, there's a nifty option to reverse the video, adding an entirely different layer of creativity to your editing. To access this feature, simply toggle the reverse speed option. This can produce some unexpected and often humorous results, so it's worth playing around with to see how it can complement your project. Once you've made your desired changes, preview the video to ensure everything flows as you intended. Make adjustments as necessary. Sometimes cutting certain parts or altering other settings can help the overall pacing and feel. When you're satisfied with the changes, you're pretty much done. Be sure to save your work to prevent losing any of your hard-earned edits. With Filmora, altering the speed of your video can be as simple as that, providing you ample creative control to tell your story just the way you envisioned it. And that's it. You've now got the tools you need to adjust the speed of any video using Filmora, opening up a world of possibilities for your projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.